Hi, I'm Scott Lang, and President of MacDonald Buick GMC Cadillac, and I'd like to thank you for your interest in our dealership. We want to let you know that no matter what your vehicle needs, we're here to help. As you'll see, our full service dealership offers everything you will need to keep your vehicle looking and working great. Thanks again for your interest, and we look forward to welcoming you back to the dealership.
When you bring your vehicle in for service, pull up to any of our 3 drive-through doors in the front of the dealership, and we'll let you in and get you all taken care of.
Hey, Mr. Buck, how are you today?
Just great, how are you?
Good. What can we do for you today?
Oil change, tire rotation.
Oil
please.
change, tire rotation. If you just want to pull it up right behind this truck, and I'm going to come over and wipe it down, and then we'll go through everything.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Don't have a drive and want to wait for your vehicle? Not a problem. After consulting with one of our service advisors, come on in. Go up the stairs, and just around the corner, we have multiple TVs, charging stations, coffee, water waiting for you. So sit back and relax, charge your device, watch the news, and we will be with you as soon as your vehicle is ready. In need of a GM part, accessories, or tires, our GM parts store has you covered. We not only carry GM parts, but carry a wide variety of accessories for your vehicle, from racks, side rails, tonneau covers, to even Thule cargo carriers. Plus, we install too. And don't forget about seeing us for your tires as well. We are an authorized Michelin, Uniroyal, and BF Goodrich dealer and carry other brands as well. If your vehicle needs a little TLC, our Appearance Center offers everything to bring your vehicle to a brimming shine. We offer ceramic coating to headlight restoration to custom cleaning and all detailing options in between. Our newly opened parts store brings you a wider selection at a more economic price. We have over $1 million in inventory and deliver to the greater Moncton area. Sometimes accidents happen. Bring your vehicle home to us. We work with all major insurance companies and will get your vehicle back to you better than before. We work on all makes and models and have over 278 years of combined experience. Ask us about our deductible waiver exclusively for our customers. Thank you for trusting us with all your vehicle needs. See you soon.